Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A95, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down on the toggles to extend the list of visible toggles, and locate the hotspot toggle. Now, if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now, I don't actually see it on either page, so we might need to actually add it. I'm going to click right here on these three dots and then select Edit Tiles, and this will display all of the turned off ones at the bottom, which one of them is Portable Hotspot. Click on the plus, it gets automatically added, and then when we go back, we should have access to it. Here, you can simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off, and when you hold it, you can click on More to navigate into the settings, and then Hotspot Settings, and for instance we can change the name to actually fit the name of the device. There we go. Now additionally you can also change the password right here. This isn't the default password, this has already been changed. By default it will be randomly generated, so a bunch of random letters and numbers. Now I do recommend removing it and setting up your own. It will need to have at least 8 characters length, as you can see right here. And next thing you could change is the AP band. By default it's set to 2.4, but you could change it to 5 GHz as long as the device that you'll be connecting to this hotspot with supports it. If it doesn't support it, it just simply will not see the hotspot at all once it's toggled on. And once you have changed everything that you want, click on this check mark to save the changes. This will automatically turn on your hotspot if it wasn't already on, and that's it. Once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and simply tapping on it. This will obviously turn it off. And there's additional setting in here, if I remember correctly. Yep, to automatically turn off hotspot after 10 minutes of an activity. I recommend keeping that on. It will save your battery in the long run. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.